Wonderful good evening to one and all. I am Prakash, Assistant Professor of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Akshaya College of Engineering Technology, Coimbatore. Now I am going to teach about ER and EER to relationship mapping. Belongs to Unit 3. Now I am going to tell about what is ER model. ER means Entity Relationship Model. The entity relationship model means it is a high-level conceptual model that visually represents the structure of database with entities like objects and a relationship. Entity represent objects or a concept and the relationship define how they are connected. In ER diagram, entities are represented by rectangles, attributes by oval, relationship by diamonds. Now I am going to tell about what is EER. EER means Enhanced Entity Relationship Model. EER extends the ER model by adding more complex features like specialization, generalization and aggregation. It allows the representation of inheritance, which is crucial for modeling hierarchical relationship in the database. The EER model is beneficial when dealing with large complex data, and it allows for a more view of entities and their relationship. The main mapping ER and EER model to relationship model. The mapping ER and EER model to relationship model involves converting entities and relationship into tables, relations in the database, with the attributes represent as columns and primary for foreign key is used to maintain relationship. The step of mapping process, they are mapping entities to table, mapping relationship to foreign keys, mapping EER feature. Mapping entities to table means each entity become a table. Mapping relationship to foreign key means relationship are mapped by adding foreign keys to table. Mapping EER features means the specialization and generalization in EER are mapped through different strategies like single relationship. When EER model is divided into some specific cases, special rules. First rule is strong entity set with only simple attributes. A strong entity set with only simple attribute will require only one table in relationship model. Attribute of the table will be the attributes of entity set. The primary key of the table will be the key attribute of the entity set. Second rule is for strong entity set with composite attributes. A strong entity set with any number of components attributes will require only one table in relationship model, while conversation simple attributes of the composite attributes are taken into account and not to composite attribute that's itself. Now third rule is for strong entity set with multi-valued attribute. A strong entity set with a number of multi-valued attribute will require two table in relationship model. Strong entity set is a multi-valued attributes represented by two oval symbol. Fourth one is translating relationship set into a table. A relationship will require one table in the relation table. Attribute of the table are primary key, attribute of the participating entity sets its own descriptive attribute if any set of one descriptive attribute will be a primary key. Now fifth rule is the binary relationship with a cardinality ratio. The following cases are: case 1 is binary relationship with a cardinality ratio m is to n. Case 2 is binary relationship with cardinality ratio 1 is to n. Binary relationship with cardinality ratio is m is to 1. In case 1, binary relationship model with cardinality ratio m is to n means many to many model. Here 3 table will be required. For example, A belongs to A1 and A2, R belongs to A1 and A2, and B belongs to B1 and B2. Second case is binary relationship with cardinality relation 1 is to n. Here two table will be required, when A will be A1 and A2, BR will be A1, B1 and B2. Case 3 be the for binary relationship with cardinality ratio is M is to 1. AR is defined as A1, A2 and B1. B belongs to B1 and B2. Now I am going to tell about advantages of ER and EER mapping. First one is structural representation. It provides a structured and easy to understand representation of complex database relationship. Flexibility to the EER model allows for hierarchical and complex relationship, offering more flexibility than the ER model. Data integrity. Mapping ensures that relationship constraints are preserved, enforcing referential integrity in relation database. Efficient querying. Proper mapping enables efficient querying of data by defining relationship and connections yearly. Enhanced organization. The EER model is use of inheritance, specialization, generalization. It provides organized data storage, reducing redundancy. Disadvantages of ER and EER relationship mapping. It is a complexity. EER model complexity, which can make the mapping process is more challenging. Performing overhead. Maintaining relationship and enforcing constraint can slow down database, especially complex model. Normalization issues. Mapping complex hierarchical may result in more table, which could complicate data retrieval and lead to performance issue. Limited support of EER feature. Not all relation database is natively support EER model feature. Example, inheritance. So workaround are often necessary. Some real-time examples are entities, student, professor and a course. Relationship is a student enrolled in a course and a professor teach a course. In ER model, student, professor and the course would be entities. Relationship like enroll and a teacher would like these entities. In EER model, student could be further specialized into graduate and undergraduate with inheritance of student attribute. The hierarchy allows efficient management of shared and unique attributes across student type. During mapping, each entity is mapped a table. Example, student, professor and courses. Relationships are managed through foreign key with suitable enrollment and teaching assignments to track which students are enrolled in which course and which professor teach which course. That's all about ER and EER to relationship mapping. Thank you to one and all.